Hello, welcome back to Vermin Control Scotland. So we're starting a bit early this evening. We're going to do some daytime rat control. You've probably seen in previous videos that I like to try some daytime rat control with a day scope. Two things, just before we start the whole rundown of the kit I'm using. I've been sent a new scope camera, and it's from Mate, and it's the S28. This is the second time I've been out with it, and as it stands now, can't fault it. Very easy to use. You download the app, you do a lot of the changes throughout that once you connect it to Wi-Fi. As I said, second time out, and I'll get a few more before I make a complete judgment on it, but as it stands now, I can't fault it. It's really good. So thank you very much. You can see here what I use, just so that the camera picks up the pellet flight better, as I've got pellets that have been sent from a chap called Andy Gray. Now, I've been dealing with Andy Gray ever since I went over to Miami to shoot the iguanas with Iguana Ninja and Raj the Iguana Man, and really good, very high quality, and as I say, I get them sent back over from Andy, so I'll need more of that. The rest of it is, you know that this is the RTI MORA sub 12. We've got the man billy carbon fibre tripod system, and we've got a new YouTube channel sponsor, and that's my sports match mounts, so quick detachable, so I can drop this off and put the thermal scope on from Notepicks, and any other scopes that I need to change over. I will be in the next couple of videos be using an RTI MORA sniper, and I've got a few other air rifles that are on their way from other brands that I'm really looking forward to using. So I will hope you enjoy this video, and I'll stop talking and I'll get straight into some daytime ratting. Thank you very much. Enjoy. So thanks very much for watching. That was something a wee bit different for my usual thermal night vision rat control. I have done this in the past and I'm going to do a lot more of it. I really do like the Scope Mate S28. I really appreciate getting sent out from them. And as I said, thank you very much for everybody else that sponsors this channel. Man Billy, RTI. I'm in talks with others for different other bits and bobs. So you will see some more really good kit. As I will pair it up with other scopes, and I've got, as I previously said, I've got a lot more air rifles coming this way. Some really fantastic bits of kit. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and take care.